welcome back. In today's video we are going to look how we can fix system crash issues when we try to do offline PS5 system firmware updates. As you can see in the video, I'll show you how to do it and how to fix this problem. So the main reason the PS5 system software crashing when you try it with a USB flash drive. So the first one is wrong firmware file type. Also we have to type of the host into a different file, the update file and the installation file. So the standard update file is around 1 gigabyte in size, and we only use it when we just want to install the latest firmware on your perfectly working PlayStations. So if the file size you have to over 1.2 gigabytes, it may not work for a specifics. That's the reason PS5 crashing, PS5 console crashing to update, precise syntax mismatch. So the PS5 systems operates regarding Linux-based kernel architecture. It cannot be read data. The directory formatted is even in sunlight of the extra structures. So the USB drive must contain folder named PS5. Inside that folder named updates. Inside that must be renamed exactly to the PS5 system firmware file. So everything used must be written in capital letters. The sole reason file system is allocation size issues, so PS5 cannot read standard Windows NTFS or my storage format because the drive must be formatted for 32 or export. So in today's video we are going to look at how we can easily to fix this kind of problem. So first off, let's download the system file. As you can see on my screen, this is the official website where you can grab in the downloads. In the downloads, you can find the website link right down in the description box. So moving on this, because the second website, as you can see, you will find the system firmware versions listed here, and just pick the one you need and go ahead download it. So now the downloads is complete. So after download, follow this extra step to load the file onto an external USB drive. So finally, as you can see on the screens, the updates has successfully finished without any issues. That concludes our videos for today. So please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you for watching.